Why should we spend time and effort on this topic? Leakage and dispersion discusses the factors which govern the behavior of hydrocarbons and hydrogen sulfide after a leak. Vapor cloud size, concentration of hydrogen sulfide at a distance to the lower explosive limit, leak rate from atmospheric and pressurized vessels, flashing, and entrainment all need to be considered if we are to prevent escalation of an incident that should be controllable into a major process safety incident. This topic affects design. It also affects operations and preparation for maintenance. Emergency planning is directly affected by leakage and dispersion estimates. There have been several major incidents that had serious off-site effects. Usually those involved did not adequately understand the risks. If we understand the risks, we can usually manage them. There is no good reason for being taken by surprise.